With a lot of these old nickel metal hydride batteries, you can leave them sitting around too long and they end up just depleting all the way down to where they have no juice left in them. Most of the chargers use something like one of these Panasonic chargers that are made for the Eneloop batteries. When you go to put one of these in, it'll show like it's starting to charge with them, but they won't actually charge. It'll show a green light like it's going to start charging, and then within 20-30 seconds or so, it'll start flashing. It'll let you know that that battery's not going to be able to charge. You can leave it in there overnight and it won't do anything to it. As you can see here, it started flashing, and that lets you know that the battery's discharged to the point that it's not going to work anymore with these Eneloop Panasonic chargers with them. This new XTAR charger, it's the XTAR L4 PRO. See here, it's got some extra functions on it that'll allow you to recover these batteries with them. This only works with the nickel metal hydride batteries, the ones like the Eneloops that are the 1.2 volt batteries, rechargeables with them. So if you put this battery in with it, you'll see it shows that it starts to charge, and it can recognize that the battery is too low for a normal charge, and it'll start charging the battery by putting out a real small amount of current with it. So what that does is it's flashing like that, lets you know this nickel metal hydride style battery versus one of their lithium ion batteries that also works with this charger. But it puts a small amount of current in it for a while till it can get the battery to a safe charging level. So once it gets a little bit of charge on it, it'll kick in with a higher charging voltage to it and charge it like it normally would if you put it in one of the Eneloop type chargers with it. And that's a big function that a lot of these batteries, you'll set them around, have them in a pack, sitting in a closet, just waiting to be used. And they drain so much that the chargers won't charge them. So this one will actually charge it, but it's also got another function on it that you can scroll through. If you hold these, I can get this to pick up. And it's got a discharge function and then a refresh. So with these nickel metal hydride batteries, when you've let them go low like that, they won't charge back at the full capacity. So with the refresh function on it, you can just completely recycle the battery. So what you're best do to begin with is let this just come to a full charge first before you go into the refresh mode. Let it charge fully with it, and then set it into the refresh section. And what it'll do, it'll bring it down from that full charge to close to discharged and bring it back up. And if the battery's in bad shape, it'll do this up to 4 times to get the battery functioning normally again. If it's a fairly new battery and in pretty good shape, it'll only discharge and recharge it 1 time to sort of reset it and let the charger know when it first fires up how much energy it can put back into it. So when you've got a damaged battery like this, a charger like this will let it refresh the battery and make it function more like new. And you tend to get as much as 25% longer runtime by doing this and sort of resetting the battery cycle to it. For this little charger for the money, they're only about $16 on average on Amazon. But if you've got a lot of old batteries that sit around that won't charge anymore for you, you can run it through this charger and refresh them and sort of recover, $100 worth of batteries that you may be having issues with. This can recycle them and get them back functioning again. It'll pay for itself pretty quick. So pretty good little charger, nice way to save some of your old batteries and get them back going again. So if this helped you at all, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.